Hey, so what's up? What's going on, everyone? Sorry I jumped ahead. I got so excited. I started jumping right to the brake caliper and I forgot to get my GoPro, so please forgive me. But anyway, let's get this out the brake fluid. That's not good. But here we are. I am changing out the brake caliper. All right, now back that out. And I could smell it. I mean, it smells burnt. I mean, naturally, because duh, I've been driving it with the caliper locked up. So that's just great. I'm not even gonna test it. I'm not even gonna push any. I'm not gonna put a brake pad against it and see if I can get it to come apart. Now my wife's calling for me. And this has been scorched. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to get some new brake pads, but I'm gonna have to make this work for now because the reason being I'm gonna have to probably turn these rotors. They are just so done. So yeah, that's one thing I'm gonna have to focus on now is to get new brake pads and turn the rotors. So let me, yes. Okay. Yeah, cause I heard her meowing.
The chili's ready. Do you want to come in and eat?
That almost caught fire.
Wow. Glad it didn't.
Yeah, that's cause I'm good at noticing when something's not up.
Oh, is it hair oil?
No, that's brake fluid.
But it's still gonna stink.
No. Okay. Taking off the main brake caliper can be kind of annoying if you don't have the right tools, and unfortunately I don't have power tools at my house. So huh? Don't mind her, that is just my woman speaking.
Woman? Feel fine?
I learned a lot from Ron Swanson. He's a man of great character.
All right, Bryce.
Huh?
You know how he calls people the wrong name. I said, all right, Bryce.
All right, Lizzie.
Lizzie.
Oh, whew. Getting too old for this. What?
He's been an old man forever. You think you're older than you are.
You heard it. She admitted it. I've been old forever.
No, you think you're old.
Look at that brand new upper control arm. And that brand new.
I feel like you need some kind of music when you're doing that. Like a little tune or something.
Dun, 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 dun. If your parents were still here, we're going for a ride.
What is that noise? Oh, yeah. I better go check on you. I haven't seen it in a whole day.
Yeah. Horse neglect? No, I'm just kidding. Seriously, no. I'm not putting that on YouTube. All right. So now, tired, y'all. It's been a long day. All right. Got that taken care of. Brake caliper is now installed. Hey everyone, so about to take y'all for a ride in the truck. I've already driven it once. Me and my wife rode in it to go get some hay. It drove good. There is this small slight rattle that I hear, but it's all good. But I removed this tag, but I'm gonna keep it because I'm a disabled veteran. And I put on the Georgia tag. Yes, gotta represent. But let me go ahead and crank my truck up, get it going. And give me 1 second, I'm gonna put this on my head. All right. Yes, the belt squeals a lot. And I was gonna drive it to work one day, but I gotta do some stuff to it. As you know, this headlight doesn't work, and I gotta replace the bulbs for my running lights. So the only thing I had on was this headlight. I gotta replace both running lights because they're just done. Gotta do it, gotta replace it. So I'm gonna let my truck warm up. It's island high. I'm gonna let it warm up and then we'll go for a ride. All right, the truck is idling better, or you know, warmed up, I guess I should say. So brake caliper is finally fixed. It's running good. Finally got my truck. And I gotta do some spring cleaning in here. Exhaust 40 series, I think it is. 1 in, 2 out. heard that. It's got a, my truck has like a little weird sound to it. I just need more power so I can have pulling power and stuff like that. If y'all can hear that, the little sound sounds like something spinning and it's clanking on metal, like something's just spinning. Like, that's the best way I can describe it. shorts.